we are getting ready because tomorrow we are going skiing. So Mom and Dad, aka my husband and I, are having a day where we get to spend together and go skiing. And we have not skied together for almost, oh my gosh, so 2 seasons at least, because I was very pregnant last year and would not have been able to get on skis. But let's pack and prep with me for a day skiing. Thought right now would be a really good time to gather all my stuff together because my husband is making us lunch to take with us. He's making us some bulgogi, which will be so good. Bulgogi is like one of our favorite meals. But anyway, let's pack and prep. I have an idea of what I want to take. I just haven't got it all in the right space. So here we go. All right, so I feel like I pretty much gathered everything, but I have a list more in my head of what I want to take with me. My family has been skiing for forever. I, for the first time, got on skis when I was 2, which might sound crazy, but I don't remember learning, and I've just always been known how to ski, so that's been really nice. I feel like people would definitely say that my dad is on the adventurous side. He will actually be meeting Chris and I tomorrow. We started teaching Chris to ski back in 2021, I think was the first time that he had come with us, and we had kind of started to show him how he's doing so well. And he's connecting turns, so if you are a skier, I'm sure that you know what that means. He's doing S-turns, so he's really getting it down. And we weren't able to go very much the last 2 years. We were in the midst of wedding planning, and then I was pregnant, so would not have been good to be on skis. But let's get everything together. My ski bag is a million years old. I think I got it when I was a teenager, but this year I treated myself to new boots. I have no idea what brand these are. Head. I also treated myself last year when I was pregnant. If you are from Pennsylvania, then you know that every year Willie's has a Labor Day sale where you can get a bunch of things at a discounted rate, and they're always, you know, like things that didn't sell quite the season before, and that doesn't matter to me. But I may or may not have bought my skis because they said magic on them. But they're all black and they have like kind of like a iridescent sparkle to them, and they are chef's kiss. And I love these boots. They are incredibly comfortable, and I just felt like I'm finally at the age where I need to spend a little bit more for comfort so that I can be on the mountain longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack my bag. PSA, everybody needs to wear a helmet if they're skiing or snowboarding. Grab my goggles. We got my husband a bag. Well, I got my husband a bag maybe 2 or 3 Christmases ago, where it's a boot bag where he can put his boots and everything, but his is a backpack, where mine is from, I don't know, 1992, or not really, I don't think it's that old. But it just doesn't fit as everything as nice as his does. Let's go ahead and get this thing packed. Taking hot hands, toe warmers, and a body warmer. Dad swears by putting toe warmers in your boots. Love. Oh my gosh, I still has a tag on it. I got myself a new jacket this year at the Willie's sale. Am I gonna need scissors? Ooh, no. And I never heard of this brand, but I'm so excited to wear it. Like, this is so cute. Ooh. How cute is this? I'm obsessed. Also, if you're just getting into skiing, or well, even if you are into skiing, if you are a size 4, you can still fit in kids' snow pants. And I bought Burton ski pants, gosh, probably when I was in college, and they still fit in their kid size, and it's because they're cheaper and they're actually a little bit more stretchy. I'm so excited that I have so many new things to try. I feel like I've been upping my game for ski equipment, or my husband or my family has got me something for the last like holidays or birthdays, and actually putting those to use is so exciting. So my husband had got me North Face gloves, and they're mittens. I've wanted mittens for so long. I just like the way they look. But my brother swears by Stance ski socks, and I finally got myself a pair. So I hope that they do well, and we'll see. I really like how tall they are. I had ski socks before, but I've never had this brand. So I don't know, it's exciting that it's all new stuff. Someone once told me that like if you get into a sport and like when you're starting off, you're a beginner and you just kind of acquire things because you're just getting into it and you're not sure if you're gonna like it. But once you are involved in that activity, to get things that you really, really like spend a little bit more and get the stuff that you really, really want, because you'll go more and you'll be excited about it. So this year, I'm actually putting that into effect. But last year I kind of started, because I wasn't really getting myself a lot of stuff while I was pregnant. So if I did pick up things, I was picking up like anything for skiing or for golf. And I already can tell that because I have outfits, which is kind of funny, but because I have golf outfits that I want to wear, like I got a golf polo when we were in Disney the last time, and because I have ski equipment that I just feel like cool, I want to go more. I'm more excited to go. And it sounds silly, but if you have the gear that you're like really excited about, it does make you want to go more. But I don't like getting fully dressed because it's like, I don't know, like an hour and 45 minutes away from where we are. So I like to have some of my layers on and then get ready there. So I'm gonna lay out, I grabbed a North Face, or not a North Face, I grabbed an Under Armour long sleeve, a Patagonia long sleeve shell to throw over top. I haven't decided if I wanted to throw my Patagonia like quarter button down, it's not a zipper, on for just in the car. And then I have a pair of fleece line leggings, and then on days where it's really cold, which it shouldn't be tomorrow, I have an extra pair, actually I have two that I laid out, of fur lined ones and fleece lined ones that I'll wear over top. So I do want to grab something to wear for on the way home, just because, I don't know, when you're skiing, you're like kind of getting sweaty and you're working out and you just don't want to be in those clothes, especially if they're damp from sweat or from, if I fall a lot. Gosh, I haven't been on skis in 2 years, so like, let's hope that's not the case. But you just want something else to put on the car ride home. So I was thinking about it, and I am grabbing just an outfit to ride home in and slash on the way there. So I'll have my Patagonia. I grabbed, this is from Aerie. My mom got it for me last December, so 2023 December, but it is just an oversized waffle, and it is so comfy. I probably wear it at least once a week, if not twice. All right, I am gonna throw in a balaclava as well as a hat for, so just realize that some of you might not know what a balaclava is. So it goes under your helmet and then around your neck. Let's see how you put it on right now. It's gonna look real cute. So you can protect your little nose. But then it keeps your hair down for under your helmet. But that was really cute. I laid out a hat. I love these ones that have the little hole to put your scrunchie in. And I'll wear a headband just for in the morning. I have to get earmuffs. I love the big fuzzy earmuffs. They look so cute. I just don't know if I can pull them off. So I am going to throw all of our ski pants and jackets in a big bag so that that's easy to get in the car. And actually, I did grab myself a chapstick, deodorant, and hair ties. Oh my gosh, I lost my train of thought. Our house smells so good. I almost wish we were having bulgogi for dinner because it smells so good, but it'll be even better tomorrow. We're gonna heat it up before we go, put it in a thermos. It's just so much cheaper than buying food when you're going to ski. They upcharge it like it's Disney World, which I don't mind paying for at Disney, but I do not wanna pay when I'm skiing. So I have everything laid out and I will film a get ready with me in the morning before we leave, and I can't wait to go. It's so rare that we have days where it's just my hubby and I know tomorrow my dad will be joining us, but it's so important to spend time with your significant other, because before you were mom and dad, you know, you are husband and wife, and that keeping that bond together is so important. And I just love him so much. And when we have time to spend together, whether it's literally like a couple hours or we've had a date night, I feel so giddy and I feel like a teenager that's just falling in love again, because it's, I don't know, it's just special and I love spending time with him. But yeah, see you in the morning.